In this video, I will show you how to fix Notepad open last file in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So to change this setting, click on this settings icon in this top corner. Now here guys, you will find when Notepad starts, click on this drop down and here just select open a new window. If in your case this setting selected, so select this open a new window and exit. Now it will ask to save. So save it if you need and exit. Now once you try to open Notepad, so it will open a new and fresh window. So thanks for watching.